Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make rice burger. Yup, you heard it right. It's burgers with buns made out of rice. This is an Asian naughty twist on a classic burger. Frankly, it's really fun to eat and is also a perfect gluten-free option. We'll make two versions of rice burger today, a chicken burger for the carnivores and a vegetarian one with tofu for the herbivores. Let's fire up the grill and make ourselves some burgers, shall we? Let's start with our rice. Unlike our garlic fried rice, you can check out our crunchy garlic fried rice video right here, link in the description below. We need fresh rice for the burger so the bun keeps its shape. First, we'll make the savory bun for the chicken burger. We have some chicken stock left over from making Hainanese chicken rice that we'll use for it, linked in the description as well. This rice is already cooked and infused with the flavor of the chicken stock, so we don't need any more seasoning. We just simply take the rice, put it in a mold of 10 cm diameter, already covered with plastic wrap. Press your rice tightly in the mold to form a perfect circle like this, and wrap it up. Remove the mold and set the rice aside. Next, we'll make the vegan bun. Just use your fresh, plain white rice. We used about 1 cup of rice for each version. We'll do a Japanese style seasoning. In a cup, mix together 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of MSG. Stir the mixture well to dissolve the sugar and season our rice with this mixture. Mix the seasoning in with the rice and repeat our steps from before to form a bun. We'll make 2 savory buns and 2 vegan buns. After you finish 4 beautiful buns, let's fry them to give them some texture. In a pan, heat up some oil and fry your rice bun on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes on each side till they develop a nice exterior crunchiness. Now let's take care of our patties for the burger. First, we'll take care of the chicken burger. We begin with preparing the teriyaki glaze for our chicken. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix the sauce well until all the sugar dissolves and set it aside for later. Now we'll turn to our chicken. Debone thoroughly and butterfly 1 chicken thigh. Simply follow our video on how to do it. Always remember to let gravity help you as much as you can. If you have access to boneless chicken thigh, you can of course use this. Next, we'll melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter on medium heat. After the butter has all melted, put your chicken in and fry each side for about 5 minutes. Then, glaze the chicken with the teriyaki sauce continuously and even-handedly for another 3 to 5 more minutes on each side. We'll remove our chicken from the pan and set it aside. Always remember to check if your chicken thigh is thoroughly cooked. For our vegan burger, we'll make a tofu patty with a tomato sauce. We'll start with a tofu patty. We recommend using hard tofu so it can be easily fried and still maintain its structural integrity. Let's go ahead and fry the tofu in a pan with some veggie oil. We'll fry the tofu for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it turns beautifully golden. Remove your tofu from the pan and let it rest. Now, we cheese up our burger. If you're determined to commit to veganism, you can skip this step, but we shall remind you that cheese is an awesome gift from God and our mammalian friends. Take your cheese of choice. Here we're using Gruyere because Gruyere is perfect for burgers. Put it on your chicken and tofu as much as you want. Put the cheese and patties into your oven at 200 degrees C for about 5 to 10 minutes or until slightly melted. While waiting for a cheese to melt, we'll make the sauce for the vegetarian burger. We'll finely chop 1 clove of garlic and 1/4 of an onion. Put them all into one pot with some veggie oil and saute them on low heat to release the delicious fragrance and flavor. After the lovely aroma of the sauteed onion and garlic has filled your kitchen for about 3 minutes, let's take them out. Mix your onion and garlic with 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, as much pepper as you want, and some love too. And that's the sauce for our veggie burger. We'll make a spicy sauce for a chicken burger for those with a spicy palate. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, sriracha would do, and a tablespoon of mayo together, and you have your simple yet delicious burger sauce. Now all the prep works are done. Let's assemble our burgers. We'll start with the bottom buns. Next come the lettuce to prevent the oil from soaking through the buns, destroying the structure. On top of the lettuce, put your cheesy patties. Give your chicken patties some spicy mayo sauce and the tofu patties some tomato sauce. Next comes fresh tomato slices and pickles. Finally, let's close it all up with the top buns. If you're feeling fancy, you can cut up some seaweed and wrap it. And voila, there you have it. Rice burgers of two kinds, savory and vegetarian, to please everyone at your next burger party. This is a fun little twist to change up your burger game. Now, all that's left is to enjoy your white American friends' confused and or horrified expression. I'm kidding. Now all that's left is engweta, bon appetito, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.